Here are the three reasons why 99% of appliances fail in 1 year. Okay, so the first common mistake that everybody does is that they don't install the appliances properly. Whether it's a microwave or an oven or a dispenser, you have to read an instruction manual so that you can install it properly. If you do it proper installation, it will last you longer. Okay, so that is the first reason why you need to install your appliances properly. Second reason is that people don't use according to the manufacturer's guideline. So you can see people, for example, they'll put a full load on the blender and switch it on for a very long time. So this decreases the motor's capacity and eventually it warms out and your blender will fail. Okay, so make sure you use your appliances properly according to the written instruction. And the last one is you don't do any preventive maintenance, whether it's an oven, whether it's a dispenser, whether it's a steamer or garment steamer. You should do a regular preventive maintenance, cleaning of it. Whether it's your oven or a cooking stove, make sure you clean those burners and grates so that it functions properly as it should. Okay, and you can use it for a long time. So these are the three most common reasons why 99% of the appliances fail, and they come to us and we get it fixed and it lasts you for a very long time, because you need to take care of your appliances properly. Otherwise they're going to fail you in the first year of operation.